Welcome to IBSS AERO YouTube channel. So myself, Dr. K. Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Aeronautical Engineering, Sanjay Goddard University, Maharashtra. So in my previous videos, we have discussed about the career opportunities in aeronautical engineering. Today, I would like to share information about drone introduction, classifications, and applications. Because everyone know about that drone, it is the booming industries. There's lot of researches and design modifications like that. Lot of things are going on in this drone field. So that's why I'm taking this topic under today. I'm sharing the information about drone. So outcome of the presentation is you will come to know what is meant by drone, who invented that drone, and how it is operating, what is the principle behind that, and classifications of the drone and applications of the drone. These all are the informations you are going to learn from this video. So, introduction, the term drone usually refer to any unpiloted aircraft, sometimes referred to as unmanned aerial vehicle, that is called a UAV. So, if the aircraft, small kind or a big kind, if unpiloted aircraft, that means pilot is not there. So, through that remote control or by programming, if you are flying the aircraft, so that is called that unmanned aerial vehicle or drone, like that we will call. These crafts can carry out an impressive range of tasks ranging from military operations to package delivery. That means from the military purpose to commercial purpose, everywhere nowadays they are using this drone or unmanned aerial vehicles. So drone can be as large as an aircraft or as small as the palm of you. So it may be the big size or small size. So depend on the applications, that size will be varied. So Israel is the pioneered the use of unmanned aerial vehicles for real-time surveillance and electronic warfare. So Israel is they only the pioneer in this field. So as per our DGCA norms, so DGCA means Directorate General of Civil Aviation. So they framed the drone rules 2021, which is implemented earlier. So that as per the DGCA norms, drone means an aircraft that can operate autonomously or can be operated remotely without a pilot on board. So that is called the drone. Okay, so that can be operated manually or automatically without pilot. If it is operated means that is called the drone. Okay, so below I attached one picture for your understanding purpose, so how drone it will be look like. Okay, so principle of operation is it is similar to the helicopter. Okay, so helicopter also having the rotary wings. So same like that here in the drone we are having four rotary wings are there. That is called that rotors. Okay, so these four rotors will be there. So these rotors will rotate and it will push the air in downward directions. So due to that, according to the Newton third law, this downward forces that air it will be pushes on the downward, so that downward pushes air will move the drone into the upward directions. Suppose if we want to move the drone in forward, backward, or any directions means we have to tilt that rotor angle. So if we are tilting means according to that aerodynamic forces will be created, so which will move the drone in the required direction. So it is also similar like helicopter concept. So that is what I explained in this PPT. So multi-rotor works on the relative nature of force, which means when the rotor pushes the air also pushes the rotor back. So as per the Newton third law. This is the basic principle that the multi-rotor can go up and down. Furthermore, the faster the rotor rotates, the greater the lift and vice versa. Okay, so if you want to achieve more lift, that means more height if you want to go. Okay, or you want to go at very high speed means if you are controlling the rotors according to that, it will move in the desired directions. Okay, so next question is founder of drone. So the founder of the drone is Abraham Karim. He is the founder of the drone. So father of the drone also we can tell. He born in 27 June 1937 at Iraq, Baghdad place. So his occupation is he is a basically aeronautical engineer. Okay, so he completed his studies in Israel Institute of Technology. So there only he started the research on unmanned aerial vehicle. So that is the base for nowadays this drone developing everything. Okay, so that's what we are telling that he is the father of drone. Next, in our mind, we are having some question is how far can a drone fly? Okay, so here I am discussing about only commercial drone because that defense drone will be come in different sectors because that range will be vary. Here I am discussing only that commercial drone. In that toy drone, it might have a range of about 20 to 100 yards only. It will fly. If we are having higher end consumer drone, it may fly up to 4 to 8 kilometers. It will fly. It will cover the range. That means distance. Next, mid-level consumer drones, if you are having, means it will cover a distance of 400 meter to 3 kilometer. So depend on your drone. It's a toy drone or a medium level or low level or high level drone. According to that, distance will be vary. So these distance are nowadays lot of research is going on, which is used to improve the distance and the design modification in the existing drones. It is going on. Okay, so as of now, how much it will cover like that, I am giving the information. And the next is the drone classification. Classification of drone. Overall, how they are dividing the drone is depend on the size, range, altitude, rotor, and autonomy. First one is that size means it's nothing but a weight. So based on the weight, if we are classifying the drone means we can classify as a nano drone, micro drone, small drone, medium drone, large drone, like that we can classify it. Suppose if you are classifying based on the range means it's nothing but a distance. So that distance means close range. That means short distance. Next is the short range. The close distance means a very very small distance. Okay. So short range means medium level and a mid range. So like that, depend on the size and the configuration of the drone, it will cover the particular distance. That is called that range. Okay. So based on that range, we can classify into the close, short, and mid range like that. Next is that based on the altitude. Altitude means it's a height, how much height a drone can fly. So like that. So based on that, if you are classifying means it is classified into two categories. One is called LALE. Second one is MALE. Okay. First one LALE means long altitude and long endurance. That is LALE. And MALE is medium altitude and long endurance. So like that, how much height it is covering, based on that it is classified. Next is that rotor. Rotor means it's a rotating components. Based on that, drone is classified into the single rotor and multi-rotor. Based on the autonomy, that means operations, it is classified into remotely piloted and fully autonomous. Remotely piloted means that a drone pilot will operate the drone to complete the decided task, that to achieve that work. Okay. Full autonomous means everything will be pre-programmed. So based on that, a drone automatically it will fly and it will complete that assigned task. Okay, so that is the classification. So now if we are coming to India, means in India, DGC, as earlier I said that DGCA is the ultimate authority. They are monitoring all type of flying activities, including aircraft, drone, everything. So in India, how they are classifying the drone is based on the drone rules 2021. Drone is classified into, it's based on into the size categories. That means like a nano, micro, small, medium, large, like that only. It is classified in India. In DGC also they classified like that only. So based on that, nano drone means weight limitation is less than or equal to 250 gram. It's like a toy drone. Okay, so we can purchase it and we can play it like that. Such kind of toy drones will come into that nano drone. Weight should be less than 250 gram or equal to 250 gram. Second category is that micro drone. Micro drone means it is greater than 250 gram weight and less than or equal to 2 kilogram. Okay, so more than 250 gram and equal or less than 2 kg. In between that range, the drone is called that micro drone. It is also used for many applications for photo shoot and all. They are using this kind of drones. Next category is that small drone. So small drone means that weight is more than 2 kg and less than 25 kg. So that kind of drones also used for cinematography or surveillance purposes. So like that, many places they are using depend on the applications. Okay, it will be vary. Next category is that medium drone. Medium drone means weight is more than 25 kg, less than or equal to 150 kilogram. That is called that medium drone. So this kind of drones are used for agriculture purposes, also sanitizer spraying. So in that purposes they are using. So drones are classified based on the weight only. Last category is that large drone. Large drone means that it is having more number of rotating parts. Okay, so that rotors it is having. So that weight is more than 150 kilogram. So if the drone weight is up to 500 kilogram is allowable. So if your drone weight is up to 500 kilogram means as per the drone rules 2021, uh, that drone rules will be applicable. Okay, so you can fly the drone, and as per the DGCA norms, you can apply for that N listing, or you can get a drone pilot license. Like that, everything will be applicable. The drone rules will be applicable up to 500 kilogram drones only. Okay, if your drone weight is more than 500 kilogram means automatically, as per the DGCA norms, that aircraft rules 1937 will come into that. So if you want to get any permissions, anything means more than 500 kilogram drones, you have to follow the aircraft rules 1937, which is already implemented by DGCA. So that is the point set in that DGCA rules and regulations. Next is that applications. So applications, in my previous videos also I said that what all are the applications are there. So here I am classified that applications into three categories. One is that civil, second is that environment, third is that defense sectors. So in that civil area, photography, construction, mining, delivery, agriculture, logistic, disaster management, surveillance, like that many purposes they are using. And environmental related means to monitor the environmental activities like air quality monitoring, soil monitoring, crop monitoring, water, underwater related observations, mountain inspection. So like that, these kind of environmental related activities also they are using the drone. And the last category is that defense. So defense means it's like a compact aircraft. So in defense, they are using for the surveillance purpose or to hit the target. Like that, they are using different purposes, like a compact aircraft, war zone medical supply, spying, surveillance, bomb dropping, and missile launching. So like that, many purposes they are using. So whatever I am listing here, that is only limited things only I am listing. Apart from that, more places drone is used. Okay, so because nowadays it's a booming industry, so many places they are planning to use the drone. So in this images also, I'm showing that it's like a drone, how it is used in that cinematography, environmental related or photo shoot, and the sanitizer spraying, how they are using, and they say EB line inspection, a windmill inspection, and that surveillance purposes and fire suppression, product delivery, then agriculture related how they are using. These are the applications. Whatever I am listing, it's only few of the things. So many places the drone is used. So that's what I'm planning to discuss more drone related informations in my YouTube channel. So today quote is without your involvement you cannot succeed, and with your involvement you cannot fail. So whatever activities you are doing, you should do with your full involvement, then sure you will get the success. That is said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So with this I'll stop my presentation. So thank you one and all listen to my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share to your friends. So thank you one and all listening my videos. Thank you.